So here's another fun one. Doing my oil change today, and I'm looking at this little wire off the alternator. I'm like, I don't remember that being exposed last time. And then I realized there was split loom on it, factory split loom. Look at that, it's just crumbling. All the way back here too, just crumbling. This is really hard here. Really hard. I'm sure if I put my thumb on it, I could just crumble it. So, what's going on here? Now this stuff that's over here is fine, but this stuff that's over the engine is all baked and crumbly. And again, this is all factory split loom. This is not stuff that I added. These little chunks of it down there, and have fallen into the valley. I'm going to try to have to fish that out. What's going on, Chrysler FCA? You don't know what materials to use for the right application? That's pretty shitty.